Hey boys and girls, welcome to Tea Time with Tayla's Learn Animals for Kids. Are you ready to identify some of your favorite animals? Then let's get started.
Hey boys and girls, welcome to Tea Time. I was just outside playing with my boat and my animals. I want to put them all in the boat so they're safe from the storm. Will you help me? Okay, let's do it together. First, I want to put the pig in the boat. Do you know which one is the pig? That's right, that's the pig. Oink, oink, oink. That's the sound a pig makes. Can you make an oink sound? That's great! Okay, Mr. Pig, you go in the boat. There you go. Okay, let's see. I think we should put the turtle in the boat next. Do you know where the turtle is? There he is! Hi, Mrs. Turtle. A turtle is green and it has a hard shell. Have you ever seen a turtle before? That's awesome! Turtles are so cool! Let's go in the boat, Mrs. Turtle. You can go up top. Now you're safe in the boat. Okay, I think we should put the elephant in the boat next. Do you see an elephant? The elephant? Hello? An elephant has a long trunk and it goes, woo! Can you make an elephant sound? Woo! Good job, Bananas. Okay, let's go in the boat. Doot, 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 doot. We can go in the door and peek out the hole. Hello. Perfect. Now 3 of my animals are safe from the storm. We have 2 animals left. Let's put the giraffe in the boat. Which animal is the giraffe? This one? Or this one? Yeah, you know it. This is the giraffe. Giraffes have a really long neck. Can you stretch out your neck like a giraffe? Oh, good job. Okay, let's go in the boat, little giraffe. You can poke your head out too. Look, 4 of my animals are safe from the storm. That leaves 1 animal left. Do you know what that is? It's a duck! Quack, 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 quack. Can you make a duck sound? Quack, 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 quack. Yeah! Let's go in the boat so you're safe from the storm. And let's zip you up. The duck is small, so we don't want him to fall out. Looks like we're all safe. Okay, are you guys ready to go? Hoo, 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 hoo. Mr. Owl's coming to save you. Hoo, hoo. Gotcha. Bye-bye. excited for today's episode. We have some special visitors from Brain Candy TV. They're letting us borrow their cool monster trucks so we can practice counting, learning our colors, and see some really fun animals. And we're gonna have a surprise visitor. Oh, I'm so ready. Let's go on an adventure. Whoa, here comes our first one. It's a purple monster truck. It's purple like my hair. And do you see an animal in the back? What kind of animal is it? You got it, it's an alligator. Chomp, chomp, chomp. Everyone chomp like an alligator. Chomp, chomp, chomp. Hey, Mr. Alligator. Did you know the longest alligator ever found was 19 feet long? I'm only 5 feet long. That's almost 4 of me. That must have been a really big alligator. Okay, we'll see you later, alligator. Bye-bye. Now we've seen one monster truck and one animal. Let's see what's next. There it is! Oh man, look at that cool monster truck. Do you know what color it is? It's blue! That monster truck is blue! And there's a kangaroo! A kangaroo in the blue monster truck. And that kangaroo has a cute little pouch on the front. That's what kangaroos carry their babies in. When you were a baby, did your mommy ever carry you in a sling or a carrier? That's kind of how a kangaroo carries their baby. That's so smart. I like that blue truck and that kangaroo. Bye-bye. Wow, now we've seen 2 monster trucks and 2 animals. Let's see what's next. I hear one coming. Oh, it's my favorite color. It's pink. A pink monster truck. Yay! And there's an animal in the back of that monster truck. It's black and white like a tuxedo. Do you know what animal it is? It's a penguin. You got it. Hey, pink and penguin both start with the letter P. Penguin. Did you know that penguins waddle like this? Can you try waddling? It's so much fun. Oh, penguins are so cute, and I love pink monster trucks. Oh, bye-bye, he's leaving. Now we've seen 3 monster trucks. 1, 2, 3. And we've seen 3 animals. 1, 2, 3. Good job. I hear another one. It's number 4. Oh, how cool. This monster truck is the same color as a fire engine. What color is it? Red! Oh, that's a cool red monster truck. And it has an animal in it. It's a snake. Can you hiss like a snake? Snakes like to slither on their bellies. I don't really like snakes. Let's get that one out of here. Whew, he's gone. So far, we've seen 4 monster trucks with 4 animals. Oh, I hope there's more. Oh no, maybe that's it. Did you hear that? Oh, there's another one, yay! Ooh, that That monster truck is green, and it's carrying Lizzie the dog from Brain Candy TV. She's our special visitor. Hi, Lizzie. Ruff, ruff, ruff. That's what a dog says. Can you bark like Lizzie? Ruff, ruff, ruff. Hey, I have a pet dog. His name's Mr. George. Hi, Mr. George. Hi. Do you have a pet dog? Oh, Mr. George loves other doggy friends like Lizzie. Hey! They're both so smart, and we love learning our colors and numbers and animals with them. Everyone say bye to Lizzie. Bye. Wow, we've learned a lot today. We counted to 5 with our monster trucks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we learned 5 different colors from our monster trucks. They were blue, purple, pink, red, and green. And they each had different animals in them. Do you remember the animals? An alligator, a kangaroo, a penguin, a scary snake, and Lizzie the dog. Wow, 5 is a whole hand. Let me see your 5. Cool. Oh, Bananas, that was so much fun. Thanks for watching. And thanks again to our friends at Brain Candy TV for letting us borrow their cool monster trucks. And Lizzie the dog, she was so cute. Hi, Simon. Welcome to Tea Time.
Well, hello there, Tayla. And hello to you too.
Simon, now that you're here, we can sing the song about animal sounds.
Oh, that is a brilliant idea.
All right, Simon, let's hit it.
Oh, yeah.
There once was a dog who liked to wag his tail. He liked to run in the yard and bark at the mailman. And the dog said, woof, woof, woof.
Woof, woof, woof.
Say woof, woof, woof.
Woof, woof, woof.
Woof, woof, woof.
Woof, a woof.
Yeah, woof, woof, woof.
Woof, 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 woof. Hi, this is fun. Let's do another one.
There once was a cat who was on the prowl. She would stalk around with a purr and meow. And the cat says meow, meow.
Meow, meow.
Meow, meow.
Meow, meow.
Meow, meow.
Meow, meow, meow.
Meow, meow.
Meow, 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 meow.
There once was a frog
Hi, that's me.
who had a hop in his step. The pond was his home. The lily pad was his bed. And the frog says ribbit, ribbit,
Ribbit, ribbit.
ribbit, ribbit.
Rip, rip, rip,
The frog
ribbit.
says ribbit, ribbit,
A ribbit, ribbit.
ribbit, ribbit.
Ribbit, 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 ribbit.
Now there once was a duck who had little orange feet.
Ooh.
The duck would waddle around and quack to the beat. And the duck said quack, quack, quack.
Quack, quack, quack.
Say quack, quack, quack.
Quack, 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 quack.
Yeah, quack, quack, quack.
Quack, quack.
Quack, quack, quack.
Quackity, quack. Guitar solo. Woof, woof, woof.
Went the dog.
Meow, meow, meow.
Went the cat.
Ribbit, ribbit.
Went the frog.
Quack, quack.
Went the little yellow duck. You guys did such a great job singing the animal sounds.
They sure did.
Simon, thank you so much for coming to Tea Time today. Bananas, did you have fun with Simon? Yeah, I thought you did. There's an animal on this blue bib. Do you know what it is? You can usually find them at the beach crawling around the sand. Yes, it's a crab. Let's learn some crab facts. Did you know that a crab is a decapod? That means it has 10 legs. Can you help me count to 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10! Wow, that's how many legs a crab has. And the front two are pinchers. Can you make little crab pinchers? Pinch, 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 pinch. Oh, don't get me. Wow, that would be funny to have pinchers on our hands. Did you know that there are over 6,000 species of crabs? That's more than I can even count. Some of them can be really tiny, and some of them are huge, like the Japanese spider crab. Its legs can reach up to 13 feet. I think that's bigger than my whole bedroom. Wow, I don't think I ever want to see a Japanese spider crab. Ooh. Some crabs live in the water, and some crabs live on land. Have you ever seen a crab? Yeah, I have too. I see two bibs with the same animal. These two. Do you know what animal is on these bibs? Is it a cat? No. Is it a dog? No, but close. It's a fox. A fox is actually a member of the dog family. That's why they kind of look similar. Good job. Did you know a fox can run almost 30 miles an hour? That's really fast. Did you know a fox will eat almost anything? Like bugs, spiders, and worms. Ew! Well, those were some fun fox facts. Let's see. I see one more bib with an animal on it. This black bib has an owl on it. What sound does an owl make? Boo, boo. Did you know owls are nocturnal? Whoa, that's a big word. It means they like to be awake at nighttime. I like to sleep at nighttime, don't you? Night, night. Wake up! There are 200 different species of owls. That means there's 200 different kinds. Have you ever counted to 200? Yeah, that's a big number. Did you know an owl can turn their head 270 degrees? That's almost a full circle. Humans can only turn their head 90 degrees. Everybody look right. Now everybody look left. Those were each 90 degrees. Owls are actually farsighted. That means anything close up will be blurry to them. But that's okay. They're usually looking for bugs and insects to eat, and they like to fly really far away. Barn owls are just one of the 200 different types of owl species. They can be easily recognized by their heart-shaped face. Can you make a heart with your hands? Boom, 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 boom. My heart's beating. The heart is the international symbol for love, and I love owls. Wow, I had so much fun learning all about owls with you today. Ooh! Quack, quack, quack. Ribbit, ribbit. Hello! It worked! Hi, bananas! I think I was mixing up the way animals talk with the way humans talk. I've been learning all the different sounds that animals make. Let's learn some together. The first animal sound I want to learn to make is a cat. Cats say, meow, meow, meow. Good job, Bananas. Can you make the sound of a frog? It goes, ribbit, 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 ribbit. How about a duck? A duck says, quack, 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 quack. What about a doggy? Doggies say, roof, 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 roof. That sounds like Mr. George. What animal makes this sound? Moo, moo. That's right, it's a cow. Moo. That's the sound a cow makes. Let's try a few more. What about an owl? An owl says, hoot, 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 hoot. Good job. What about a snake? A snake says, ooh, snakes are scary. A little piggy says, oink, 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 oink. And a sheep says, ba, ba, ba. That's amazing, Bananas. We just learned so many different animal sounds. I have a fun game we should play. I'll give you an animal and you make the sound. The first animal is a doggy. What sound does a doggy make? That's right, a doggy says, roof, 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 roof. Good job, Bananas. What about a snake? What sound does the snake make? Yeah, a snake says, see, it is scary. Let's try one more. What sound does a duck make? I can't hear you. That's right, a duck says, quack, 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 quack. Good job, Bananas. You guys are really good at this game. Now that you know all the different sounds that animals make, you can play this game with your friends or your brother and sister. It's so much fun. Thanks for learning with me today. Bye! We're going to learn about ladybugs. Ladybugs are insects with wings. They have 6 legs, 3 on each side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Did you know that there's over 5,000 different types of ladybugs? They come in many different colors, including red, orange, yellow, black, brown, gray, and even pink. The most common ladybug is red with black spots. The number of spots tells you the type of ladybug it is. As ladybugs get older, their spots fade away, just like human hair turns gray when we get older. I'm going to show you a ladybug and you count the number of spots. How many spots do you see? Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 7 spots on this ladybug. Let's try one more. How many spots do you see on this ladybug? That's right! 2, 3, 4. There's 4 spots on this ladybug. There are boy ladybugs and girl ladybugs, but it's almost impossible to tell them apart. Isn't it funny that a boy is still called a ladybug? Girl ladybugs can lay up to 1,000 eggs in its lifetime. That's 1,000 babies! Ladybugs like to live in gardens and forests and even in people's houses. But don't be afraid. If you see a ladybug in your house, they're really friendly. They can't hurt you. You know what? I think I like ladybugs. I was playing with my friend Zoe yesterday, and she was telling me all about her favorite animal, horses! I wanted to share some of the fun things I learned about horses with you. The first thing I learned is that there are about 75 million horses in the world, and no 2 horses look alike. That's a ton of horses. I also learned that horses only sleep 2 to 3 hours a day. Oh my! I like to sleep 8 hours a day. Horses can also sleep laying down or standing up. That's so funny! I don't think I could sleep standing up. Boy horses and girl horses also have different names. A boy horse is called a colt, and a girl horse is called a filly. They also have different names when they grow up and become adults. A male horse is called a stallion, and a female horse is called a mare. Do you think that a horse's tail is just a tail? No way! Their tails are really important. They use it to keep warm and swat away bugs and flies. Horses are herbivores. That's a big word. It means that they only eat plants, no meat. It's kind of like being a vegetarian. Horses are really strong animals and one of my favorites. What's your favorite animal? Oh, I love that animal too. Well, me and my horses are gonna go gallop away. I wanted to talk to you about one of my favorite insects, the butterfly. Did you know that butterflies are first born as caterpillars? They live in cocoons while they grow their brightly colored wings, and then they hatch out and they fly away. My favorite type of butterfly is the monarch butterfly. You can usually spot them outside because their wings are bright orange. The state of Arizona has the most different types of butterflies in the whole United States. They have 220 different kinds of butterflies. That's a big number. I also learned that butterflies eat nectar from flowers. They sip it with their tongue, like a straw. That's weird. Did you know butterflies can only see 3 different colors? Red, green, and yellow. I wonder what it would be like if I could only see 3 different colors. Well, next time you're outside, keep your eyes peeled for a beautiful butterfly. Bananas! I'm eating a banana. You know why? Because I'm a monkey. You like my monkey mask? I got to go to the zoo last week and learned all about monkeys. They're amazing animals and they're really smart. I have some fun facts I want to share with you. The first thing I learned about monkeys is that there's over 200 different kinds. Whoa, that's a lot. Too many to tell you about, so I thought I'd pick out my 2 favorites, the spider monkey and the emperor tamarin monkey. Now the spider monkey is like a trapeze artist. It spends most of its time swinging from limb to limb in the trees high above the jungle. They're really fast and they like to eat fruit like bananas, apples, and oranges. Now the emperor tamarin monkey is so cute. It looks like it has a big beard, and they like to live in groups too. Well, who wouldn't? I don't want to live by myself. How boring. Did you know that we used to have monkey astronauts? The first ever monkey astronaut was named Albert. On June 11th, 1948, Albert took off into space. Over 32 different monkeys have flown in the space program. That's incredible! There's a monkey species called the howler monkey. It's one of the loudest animals in the world. It howls at the beginning and end of every day, and you can hear its howl up to 3 miles away. That's really loud. Well, those are some of the interesting facts that I learned at the zoo. When you have time, check out your local zoo and see what animals you can learn about. I think I'm gonna go have another banana. Let's learn some animal noises. There's some really cool animals on here. Ooh, what about a panda bear? Did you know that pandas do make sounds? Some of them bark, or squeak, or growl, and even huff. Can you huff? Huff. Like a panda bear. That's funny. Do you see an animal that's pink with a little snout? Right there! That's a pig! What does a pig say? Oink, oink, oink! Good job! A pig says, oink, oink, oink! I see 2 animals on here that growl. One is a lion, and the other one is a tiger. Lions and tigers both growl. Let me hear ya. Growl. Good growling, everyone. What about a turtle? I don't think a turtle makes any noise, but they move really, really slow. You silly turtle. Right next to the turtle is a little duck. Ducks say, quack, quack, quack. Can you quack like a duck? Quack, quack, quack. Good quacking, everyone. There's 2 more birds on the play tray. One is a chicken. A chicken says, cluck, 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 cluck. Good clucking. The other bird is up here. That looks like a parrot. I think parrots squawk. Squawk, 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 squawk. That's kind of hard to do. Can you try to squawk like a parrot? That was a good try. Good squawking. I see 2 more animals that we haven't identified their sounds yet. One is a wolf. A wolf says, howl. He howls. Can you howl like a wolf? Howl, howl. Awesome job. And the last animal is, yes, a monkey. What sound does a monkey make? Ooh, 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 ah, 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 ah. Yes, that's a monkey sound. Try it with me. Ooh, 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 ah, 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 ah. Those were awesome animal noises. You all did a great job. We're going to use our bonus stickers to practice our spelling. Here's the first one. L-I-O-N. Which animal is spelled L-I-O-N? Lion. Yes, it spells lion. Here's my lion sticker. Wow, these are awesome. I'm going to stick it on my paper. There's my lion. The next one is M-O-N-K-E-Y. Which animal is that? An M makes the sound. Monkey. That spells monkey. And here's my monkey sticker. Let's put the monkey right next to the lion. Perfect! Now we have 2 stickers. P-A-N-D-A. I think that's panda. Do you know where the panda is? He's black and white, and he likes to eat bamboo. There's the panda. Let's put it on our paper. Now I have 3 stickers. Let's do another one. T-U-R-T-L-E. Which animal starts with the letter T? I see 2. There's a tiger and a turtle. Let's see. T-a-ertle. That spells turtle. There he is. Hey, Mr. Slow Turtle. Let's put the turtle on a new page. How about in this corner? There's our turtle. T-I-G-E-R. That spells tiger. That's the other animal that starts with the letter T. Let's put our tiger next to our turtle. This is our T page, turtle and tiger. Okay, I have one more bonus sticker. The word is D-U-C-K. That spells duck. And there's our little duck. Oh, come here, little duck. You can go next to the panda bear. There, this page has our animals that start with the letter T. And here's the other 4. We have a lion, a monkey, a duck, a panda, a turtle, and a tiger. Wow, those were really fun bonus stickers. And you did a great job spelling the animals with me. I love animals and the sounds they make, so I wrote a poem about them. This is a cow. A cow says moo. Here is a rooster who cock-a-doodle-doos. The animal that quacks is called a duck. Here is a chicken, and a chicken says cluck. The mouse goes squeak, 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 squeak. And the birds in the sky say tweet, tweet, tweet. Bees go buzz. A snake says hiss. And a rabbit makes a thump, just like this. Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit is the sound of a frog. Woof, woof, woof is the sound of a dog. Hee-haw goes the donkey. Neigh says the horse. These are the sounds of animals, of course. Grrr is the sound of a growling bear. Roar, 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 roars the lion who scares. Hoot, hoot, says the owl. Baa, says the sheep. Now it's time for the animals to all go to sleep. Oh, night, night.
That was awesome. Thanks for watching Tea Time with Tayla's Learn Animals for Kids. We'll see you next time on Tea Time.